Friendtech, this viral new app on Coinbase's Layer 2, is making people rich. Some of the top Friendtech accounts have earned more than $10,000 in just 2 weeks. Now, what's this new craze all about? In just 11 days, Friendtech has outperformed established players in the crypto ecosystem, including Uniswap and the Bitcoin network. So why are all the critics warning against it, and did they actually leak user data of 101,000 users? Here's the entire truth behind Friendtech. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter, altcoinbuzz.io, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Now, the Friendtech app is built on the Coinbase incubated Ethereum Layer 2 base. It has become a massive money machine as NBA players and FaZe Clan joined in. It tokenizes Twitter accounts on-chain, letting users buy and sell shares of their favorite social media personalities. Basically, it's a mobile-only social media platform linked to Twitter that tokenizes user accounts. Users that buy another account's so-called shares gain exclusive access to the account's private chat room, which is a very exciting way to connect and engage. However, social media influencers are saying something is not right, and they believe 6 to 8 weeks before both share prices and general activity begin to nosedive. So before we get into the details of what the issues are, let's see the current status. Friendtech went live with an invite-only beta on August 11th, just one day after Base's mainnet launch. It's generated a whopping $2.88 million in protocol fees, and Friendtech's revenue and fees also outpaced market leaders like Uniswap, MakerDAO, and even Layer 1 blockchains like Bitcoin and Tron on August 20th. The number of daily transactions on Base reached a new peak of over 900,000 on August 20th, nearly double the leading Layer 2 networks like Arbitrum and Optimism. What's interesting about Friendtech is the implementation of a bonding curve that automatically calculates the buying and selling price, similar to Uniswap's automated market maker design. Traders don't need to find a counterparty to buy or sell the shares from on Friendtech. Instead, an automated mathematical formula determines the price based on the number of users holding an account shares. The share's price rises with the number of shareholders. FaZe Banks, one of the founders of FaZe Clan, joined the platform on Sunday, and his shares surged to become one of the top shares. He tweeted saying, "I've always thought the idea of betting on the success of especially YouTubers and streamers' success would be cool. Outside of just time and resources, I've discovered so many talented people. A product like this is perfect for that." Popular crypto trader and influencer Kobe's account on Friendtech is currently valued at 2.04 ETH, or about $3,400, with around 145 holders. Crypto analyst Adam Cochran's account with 57 holders is valued at 0.57 ETH, and NBA player Grayson Allen joined the platform and saw his share prices quickly rise to become one of the most expensive in just a few hours. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure that you like and subscribe so that YouTube will show you more videos just like this. So what's the potential of Friendtech? It's gaining considerable traction with notable personnel joining the social media app outside of just crypto circles like Y Combinator founder Gary Tan, NBA player Grayson Allen, and professional gamer FaZe Banks. Since its launch, Friendtech has seen a total volume of 39,000 ETH across 1.6 million transactions, and some of the top accounts have made $10,000 since its launch. Also, speaking in terms of the app, it has a remarkable user experience. It works as an app with no app store needed, it sets up a bridge for you, you deposit just once, and no more transaction signing. All in all, I think the platform offers a unique way for users to monetize their social media influence. By selling shares of themselves, users can generate passive income from their followers, and this could be a major incentive for influencers and other high-profile individuals to use the platform. Now, here are some of the red flags. Creators are making money from a group chat that doesn't even work, and they can't even reply directly to people. The way pricing works is ridiculous and can easily be taken advantage of with pump and dumps. Crypto analyst DeFi Made here tweeted that currently, the app is nothing else than a way to speculate on shitcoins, aka influencer shares, and farm a potential airdrop. Moreover, its bonding curve is very steep, making it difficult to attract more people to buy a user's shares. It just becomes too expensive after the first 100 shareholders. Also, a report recently claimed that the personal information of more than 100,000 of its users was leaked. However, the Friendtech team clarified that the information came from scraping its public API and refuted the report. P.S. If you have an invite code and decide to go all in, I suggest you revoke access to X once you're in, and here's how to do that. Just go to Security and Account Access, find the app and sessions, and click on Connected Apps, and from there you can remove it. So what do you guys think about Friendtech? Is it here to stay, or will it be gone in just a few weeks to months? Let me know in the comments down below, and stay safe.